Hello everyone, let's solve this particular question. So here the question says that let the area of the region bounded by three inequalities provided over here, and the area is given as a m by n, where m and n are co-prime numbers. Then find m plus n. Let's find the area first. At first, the first inequality, that is x minus 2y plus 4 greater or equals to 0. Let's plot the graph of this inequality. So this is linear inequality in two variable. Easily you will be able to plot the graph. When x is 0, you will be able to find the y value, and when y is 0, you will be able to find the x value. So this graph will look like this, where the shaded region will be the downward portion of this line. You can take any testing point. Let's say origin you are taking as a testing point. You will put it in the inequality and you will be able to find that origin is satisfying this inequality. That means origin must be included in the shaded portion, and hence the downward portion will be the shaded region. This is the shaded region, this one. Okay, now let's take the second inequality. So the second inequality is x plus 2y square greater or equals to 0. So x plus 2y square greater or equals to 0. We can also write it as a y square in form of equation if you will write. So is equals to minus 1 by 2x. Clearly this is representing parabola whose vertex is at origin. So yeah, let's draw it. Now the shaded region. So the shaded region over here, let's take a testing point. Maybe the interior part of the parabola, that can be the shaded region, or the exterior part of the parabola. So when you will take a testing point lying in the exterior part of the parabola, 1 comma 0, suppose I am taking lying on x-axis, this will satisfy our inequality, and hence this is lying in the shaded portion. So exterior, this exterior part of the parabola, this is the shaded portion. Okay, now we have one more inequality. Let's plot the graph of that. That is x plus 4y square smaller or equals to 8. Again you can write it in the form of equation. Y square is equals to minus 1 by 4 x minus 8. You can see this is also representing parabola. Here this y square can be written as y minus 0 whole square is equals to minus 1 by 4 x minus 8. This is again parabola whose vertex is at a point h comma k, that is h is 8 and k is 0, and here this parabola will also open towards the negative direction of x-axis. So the vertex of this parabola is here. So we can clearly see this entire region is the shaded region. This entire portion is the shaded portion. One more thing, you need to check the shaded region for the third parabola as well. And for the third parabola, when you will check the shaded region, no, the interior part of the parabola will come out as a shaded region. When we are taking y greater or equals to 0, we will only be taking the upper part. So let's take that. So our actual shaded region is this one. Now we need to integrate it to find the area. Need to find the point of intersection. You can see this is the point of intersections. Let's say this is point A. So A we are getting when the first parabola is intersecting the straight line. Okay, so when we are solving this x minus 2y plus 4, let's write it in the form of equation, is equals to 0, and the other one x plus 2y square is equals to 0. We are getting the coordinate of a point A. Okay, and that you will get as x as a negative 2 and y as a 1. There is one more point of intersection, that is point B, that also we need for doing the integration. So point B we are getting when the second parabola, the green parabola, is intersecting the straight line. So straight line and the other parabola, that is x plus 4y square is equals to 8. When we will solve this two, we will be getting the coordinate of a point B, and that will come out as a x as a -1 and y will come out as a 3 by 2. Okay, we got A, we got B. Now integration. So here if you will take a horizontal strip falling on y axis, okay, let me draw the horizontal strip. So if we will take the strip like this, from A I am drawing, okay, see carefully, and this region we can divide in two parts, see, like this. So the entire area A can be found like this. We are drawing this strip on y axis, so dy, y is ranging from 0, okay, and here at A the coordinate we have got as a 1, so 0 to 1. In such situation you always have to take the right curve minus the left curve. Okay, so the right curve over here, the green color curve, over there we will be taking the x, and x will be 8 minus 4y square. Minus the left curve, again that is parabola, you can see the black one, and there we will be taking the x, that is minus 2y square. Now let's focus on the upper part area, that is again same horizontal strip we are taking. Here y is ranging from 1 to 3 by 2 as our B coordinate. If you will focus, y value is 3 by 2. Right curve, that is the green color parabola. From there we are getting 8 minus 4y square minus the left curve, which is a straight line. See carefully, straight line. From there you will be writing x, that is 2y minus 4 dy. When we will solve this 2 integration and when we will add this 2, we will be getting the answer as 107 over 12. You can see we are getting answer in form of m by n, where m and n are co-prime number. Co-prime number means there is no specific number which can divide 107 as well as 12. So we got our m value, we got our n value. We are supposed to find m plus n over here. We can clearly see that m plus n will be 107 plus 12, that is 119. This is our final answer. I hope you understood the entire solution. If you are having any confusion, please comment in the comment box. Thank you.